Welcome to Lesson 2 in Unit 22, Using Our Resources Wisely. In this lesson, students will work to answer the question, how do Earth's systems interact? In this lesson, they develop different models to investigate and explain how Earth's systems interact with one another. Students figure out that the interactions of one Earth system can affect the function of another Earth system. Students make connections to the storyline by updating their community model to explain how Earth systems interact. There are several opportunities for ELA and social studies cross-curricular connections throughout the lesson. You can look for specific standard connections in the Unit 22 Teacher Guide. This lesson will take approximately 3 to 4 days to complete. To begin the Engage portion, you'll ask students what they have learned about Earth's systems. You'll have students name the Earth systems, hydrosphere, geosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere, from the previous lesson. You'll then show students the image on the slide and ask how these different systems might work together. You'll revisit the driving question board to add any new questions and highlight others connected to the learning goals of this lesson by calling attention to questions about the interaction between Earth's systems. For the Explore portion, you'll ask how we could use a model to show how systems of the Earth work together. You'll set up the Earth Systems Interaction Model. Be sure to see the teacher tutorial for this activity. You could also do this activity virtually using the Earth Systems Interaction game. For the Explain portion, you'll bring the class together and lead a discussion about students' observations from the systems model. You'll use the provided questions to guide your discussion around the question, how do Earth's systems interact? The goal of this class discussion is to identify how interactions between the systems happen and overlap. You'll use the discussion to create the Lesson 2 summary chart. By the end of the discussion, students should understand that Earth is a system made of interconnected parts. Each of the spheres can affect or interact with each of the other spheres. If one of the spheres or systems of Earth was changed or removed, it would affect the rest of the system and throw it out of balance. During the discussion, you'll have students read the MySci reading, Interactions Between Earth's Systems. Students can read with a partner or in a small group to obtain information about interactions between Earth's systems. You can also post the Interact and System vocabulary cards. For the Elaborate portion, you'll remind students of the community model they worked on in Lesson 1. You'll ask students how they might update these models to show system interactions between Earth's spheres in their community. You'll develop a Gotta Have It checklist with students to define what new things they need to add to their model. You'll then have students update their model in the Community Model Student Journal page. For the Evaluate portion, you'll have students complete the Earth Systems Interactions Quick Check Student Journal page. To support student sense-making across the unit, you'll orient them back to the driving question board. You'll ask students, what did we learn about how Earth's systems interact? And what additional questions do you have now? By the end of this lesson, students will have developed and used models to explain the interactions between Earth systems. In Lesson 3, students will explore how water moves through the Earth systems as part of the water cycle. For more information about this unit, visit myscipartners.com.